I am back with more entries. So I kind of cheated on this one because I really wanted to open it up, and I said, okay, I'm just gonna take some of the stuff out. But then when I saw the memory decks card, I was like, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. It's so beautiful. Those koala bears are adorable. Oh my gosh, I hadn't even told you who it's from. This is coming from Kim Ross, and this package came all the way from Australia, you guys. Check out her memory decks card. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this trim. So pretty. Pretty flowers. They look like prima. The koala bears are just adorable. So like I said, she is Kim Ross. Her birthday is July the 8th, and her favorite colors are shades of blue, pink, and purple. Her favorite holiday is Christmas. Her favorite craft style is shabby chic with florals and bling, and her Instagram is Kim_Ross3. There it is one more time. And these are her beautiful embellishments, you guys. I love this one. I really do, because you know, pink is my favorite color. And this one is really beautiful too. I love all the layerings. I love those die cuts. They're really pretty. Of course, Christmas, I'm definitely going to use these right away. Next entry is from BusyMom here on YouTube. She doesn't make videos, but look at her packaging. It's so cute. I mean, even the envelope itself is adorable. Okay, so here is her card. Oh, this is her memory decks card. Oh my gosh, this lady, she is very detailed in her work. And look, she even stickled the envelope, you guys. And how adorable is this packaging? I forgot to show you. Look how cute this is. See what I mean? She is very detailed in her work, you guys. And I love her work. Oh my goodness. Look at her card. This is so cute. I really do love her style. Look at that, you guys. So cute. The back is where she wrote something for me. So thank you so much. And look at her card, you guys. Oh my gosh. She is so cute. And I can't believe she used a polka doodle image. Beautiful, you guys. And oh, I love, look at that happy birthday, how she layered it. Oh, I like that idea. And look at this. It's embossed with hearts. You can see the scallops behind there. And oh, she even, oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Look at all that dimension that she added. It is just so beautiful. I love it, Rosa. You know I love your work. And she is Rosa V, also known as BusyMom here on YouTube. Her birthday is March 28th. She loves pastel colors, neutrals. Her favorite holiday is Christmas. Her craft style is cute and clean. And on Instagram, she is BusyMom328, and on YouTube she is BusyMom. And she is here in California, you guys, but it is quite a few hours away, I think, where we live. But I just love it. Thank you so much, Rosa. This next entry is from Donna Gonzalez. Look at her pretty packaging. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys, look at all of this. Look how super shabby and blingy and just beautiful and stunning, gorgeous, everything you can think of. Wow, these are clothespins. Oh my gosh, I am not going to use this. I'm going to hoard them and display them in my room. All the detail that she's added. There's like little bits and pieces of lace, flowers, and even like, it almost looks like a bottle cap. Look at all that. Oh my gosh, that's a teapot with the teacup, and it is tiny. It's so cute. Oh, this is an envelope. Oh my goodness, this is just adorable, Donna. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. Look at this beautiful card. Oh my goodness, look at all of the layers, you guys. Wow, this is stunning. I've seen her work before. She is Donna's Whimsical, hold on, I think it's on here. Donna's Whimsical Treasures here on YouTube. And you need to check out her channel because she does a lot of shabby chic with a lot of like bling and pearls. And look, she's even added like confetti on each of the bags. That is so cute. I love these bags. Alright, so here is her memory decks card. Oh my goodness. Look at all of this, you guys. Wow. The base, she cut it out using glitter paper. That chunky glitter paper. It is beautiful. And then she added this piece of lace. It's so beautiful. So girly and shabby. Beautiful flower that you can see right here behind. And then she's added some stickles. Or no, it's actually gold glitter. Look at that. And look at all the layers. This is so beautiful, Donna. I absolutely love it. Okay, so she is Donna's Whimsical Treasures here on YouTube. And her name is Donna Gonzalez. Oh, she's in Florida. Her birthday is August 6th. Her style is shabby chic and vintage. And she loves altering things. Her favorite colors are pink and pastel. And she even has a picture. Thank you so much, Donna. I absolutely love it. So this next entry is from Teresa Rankin, and I hope I'm saying your last name correctly. So here is her set of embellishments, you guys, and it is ready for me to go to add anything else I want to add to it. So this is perfect, and here is her entry. Thank you so much, and I just love these shabby colors. So beautiful. And look at the topper. Oh, and this is like a rosette. So beautiful. I love that cluster of flowers. Here is her beautiful entry, you guys. Look at this. Look at all the layers. Oh, I love how you guys do this. That says inspire, dream, love. This is like a banner type. And I don't know if you can tell, but there is a pin right there. And it's pink. So pretty. So she is Teresa. Her date of birth is September 4th. Her favorite colors are pinks. Her creative style is shabby chic and vintage, and her favorite season is fall. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. So this next entry is from Diana Hernandez, and look at all of this, you guys. It is so festive. I love it. Okay, so here is the card that she made me, and it is super cute. Here is her memory decks card, you guys, and it came in this envelope right here, this really pretty one, and it is in fall themed. And like I said, her name is Diana Hernandez. On YouTube she is DL Herna 971. Oh, but she doesn't make videos. Her craft style, she says, not sure. I do a little of everything. Her favorite color is green, and her favorite holiday is Halloween. You know, and I really like these a lot. First of all, because look, you guys, she made it like the whole package into a shaker. That's really neat. And look at those big leaves. Look at that. That is so cool. And I don't have a lot of fall stuff. That's why I hardly ever create with fall. But these are going to be excellent for making cards. That's my embellishment right there. And also these. Or I could even make wands with these. How cute. I love how she's added all of this sequins inside the packaging. And look at that paper. That is so cute. Thank you so much for this, Diana. I absolutely love it. This next entry is from Susan, and on Instagram she is LoveLoveKins. And here, let me show it to you really quick in case I'm saying it wrong. And thank you so much for what you wrote. It's so sweet, and I really do hope we get to meet someday. That would be pretty awesome. Who knows, maybe I'll just stop by Cost Bargain one of these days. I still haven't gone, but yeah. So, and here is her card. Sorry, I think I forgot to show it to you. And, oh, and she's a new crafter, you guys. She says she is new to crafting and still learning. Trust me. I've been doing this for, what, 9 years or so. And I'm still learning new things. How adorable is this, you guys? And, oh my gosh, she even added like a little dangle. So like I said, her name is, oh my gosh, you guys. I literally just saw these. How cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. Her name is Susan. Her birthday is June the 12th. Her favorite color is pink. Her favorite holiday is Christmas. Craft style is clean and simple. She says, although I do love shabby, just can't do it yet. Haha. Oh my gosh. And look at that. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Look at these, you guys. Oh, this is just adorable. Oh my goodness. And some flowers. Oh my gosh, you did a lot of embellishments. You've been busy. Flowers. We all need flowers. And butterflies. That's like the perfect combination. I love these layers. They are just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And she made me this too. Oh my goodness. I have a hard time making these rosettes, you guys. So thank you so much for this. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much. So here are all of these beautiful entries. And I want to show you the updated list. Again, if I forgot someone, if I forgot anything, let me know. MDC stands for Memory Dex Card Embellishments are for the, for each set of 4 is 1 point. No G means that you didn't send me any extra goodies. And Instagram is if you shared on Instagram. And a few people shared on Facebook, so it'll say FB. And if you did a VR on YouTube, it'll say VR. And actually, Lori, I already had you for your VR, so I'm going to have to scratch the other one off. So let me go ahead and do that now so I don't forget. So VR. See how I had it wrong. Alright, so there you go. So really quickly, one more time. There it is. This is all of them. And this is updated as of this video. So if I'm missing anything, please let me know down in the comments. Alright, that is it for today. Thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope it has inspired you on how you can make your own memory index cards, because I have to tell you, I've been inspired by a lot of you ladies, and seeing this in person, it is just amazing. I love it. Thank you for everything, and see you in the next video. Bye everyone.